Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So we'll go with the US inflation. US inflation data is out and it is at 9.1% in June. So it has reached 41 years highest rate. So US only is struggling. The inflation is 9.1. So even the developing economy like emerging markets like India, what will happen to India in coming days then? Anyhow, we are doing good as it's a developing country, and even the developed country they are struggling to do better now. So let's get back to the US market and see how it is performing. So it has opened, Nasdaq has opened 200 points down. It was a gap down. Then it's tried to recover and it has really recovered a nicely it has recovered. So this is the trend line downtrend. Upon that it is trading. So how the trend line came, let me show that. So recently I have marked the trend line, the top to the bottom. Upon the trend line, the downtrend it is trading. So this is a good good indicator, a good sign we can say it is trading upon that, but lower to all the EMAs. So we have to see by the end of today where the US market is going to close, because tomorrow is a expiry for us, and this news and this US market will impact our market tomorrow. So we'll check Dow Jones. Dow Jones also has opened 2 to 300 points lower gap down and it has recovered, and again there was and it's trying to come up. Let's come to our market. This no one has believed there will be a gap up today. So there was a very good gap up. After gap up, there was a huge sell off, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what happened after the gap up? We'll check in open interest analysis. So today it is a really interesting data. So what happened after the gap up? In gap up, FII have covered their longs. They were holding 31,645. I don't know when these longs were made. Do they have covered this in profit or loss? I don't know. I have not tracked this one. So they have covered all the longs, unwinded it, and they have made a fresh call writing of 26,000. And in put, they were holding a put of 1.89 lakhs. They have increased to 1.98. So they have increased 9,000 only. This is minimum only. But they have made a very huge bearish positions in option. And while coming to future index for FII, see they have reduced 1% in long and increased 1% in short, 81% short. Even in the bad times like Corona, they have not made so huge shorts. But there is a very uh, bad fear to the US of the inflation. So next is client. What the client did. Client they have made a very good position yesterday in put writing. They booked 22,000 contracts profit. So they booked early when there was a gap up. So they reduced the position to 1.62 lakhs. And in call they were having 1.66 lakhs contracts. They have increased their calls. Now they're holding 3.52 lakhs contracts. So they have increased 1.86 lakh contracts today. So retailers, the clients, the retailers believe the market will move higher tomorrow. So they have made a very huge put writing and call buying. So this is a very bullish positions they have made in options, and in future index they still holding a good number of long positions. They just reduce 2% of call and increase 2% of shorts. Let's come to promoters. Promoters, they were holding 37,000 put writing. So they have increased their put writing by 33,000 contracts. And here they were holding 1.98 lakhs contracts in call writing. They also increased the call writings by 1.28 lakhs contracts. This is a very huge contracts they have made. They are very bearish in options. And in future index, they have reduced their longs by 2 percentage. Now they are having 37 percentage long, and they have 2 percentage increase their shorts. They have 63 percentage shorts. So see what happened. Promoters are bearish in future index, and also they made a bearish position in option index, and little bit they hedge their positions in put writing. And in future index there is no much difference, but they have reduced 1 percentage today in long. They have 62% long and 38% shorts. So with this data, if tomorrow there is a gap up and market move higher, the retailers will enjoy the day. It will be a day to party for the retailers. And if there is a fall, there is a party to the promoters. So we'll check what going to happen. And also in cash flow, FII have started selling huge amount now. He has sold for 2839 crores, and DII have pulled the money and he purchased for 1799 crores. Promoter also purchased for 63 crores, and client sold for 43 crores. So FII made negative positions and selling. They will be, this position will be in profit only. So while coming to PCR put call ratio, today Nifty is at 0.6 and for month end it is 1.16. So it is overbought. And for Bank Nifty it is 0.66 and for month end it is 1.06. So now the market Nifty and Bank Nifty is at oversold. It's not overbought, it's oversold zone. So while seeing the PCR, we can see there has to be a very good rally on the positive side because it is at a oversold zone. There should be a pullback for coming days. And for the month end is also like it is positive side only. So as per the PCR, there has to be pullback, and as per the data is on the both the sides. It can go either side. If it goes long, it has to go. There will be a rally on the long side. If it fall, it has to be a huge fall too. So we'll see our market. As per the charts also showing, there should be a fall. Not the huge, but there should be a little bit of correction. Anyhow, the PCR it won't be applicable tomorrow as it's a expiry tomorrow. But for today, it was oversold zone. So anyhow, we'll see tomorrow, guys, what's going to happen. So let's see, guys. Save your capital and trade well. I wish everyone make a good profit tomorrow. And please do like, subscribes to my channel. Good night. Bye.